Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back. Ooh. Today, I was like, Caroline, you've been gone for like 5 weeks now. Maybe you should do something. And then I was like, oh, maybe I should. Sorry. Although, I only had like 50 viewers, so it's fine. Like, it's fine. I'm here today to just do some makeup. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I just got home from school, so I'm just gonna do whatever I want. But instead of just making this a boring little makeup tutorial, I'm also going to talk about my favorite products of this moment, I guess. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me. I'll talk to you later. So the first thing I'm going to do, also the fan is on, that's why it's noise. But it's hot outside today. I mean, relatively hot. 50 degrees is a big deal for us. I'm going to spray my face with some Mario. Next step is the eyebrows. I've been filling them in nice and fluffy lately. I use the new Maybelline Total Temptation pencil. It's like the Anastasia brow definer. Just gonna do some little strokes to underline it a little bit. Fill in the top a little bit with the little strokies. We're just gonna define it softly. Okay, and once I got the basic-ish shape, I'm just gonna fill them in with some L'Oreal eyebrow gel. This stuff is nice. Everything I'm using today is basically a favorite, because why would you use something you don't like? Okay, so skincare. I'm having sort of a bad day right now, like with skin, like this and this, but that's basically it. But I used to have like huge like red bumps all over my forehead and all that. It was not very pretty. And then my mom found this spectacular thing, and it's this Rodan and Fields Unblemished, that's what it's called. And it comes in a little set, comes with a toner and a moisturizer thing. I don't use that, but I like to use the face wash and the toner. And it cleared up my skin awesomely, and I really like it. Also, it was the creators of Proactive. They made this. So if you want some legit acne bye-bye medicine, it's not medicine actually, hit me up and I will hit my mom up and she will hook you up with the deals. But can we just talk about how freaking ColourPop's at Ulta now? Okay, so I have to tell you guys a story. So, I was working for a soccer thing that day, and I was near my favorite Ulta, and I saw on this makeup account that they were supposed to get ColourPop today. And I was like, Mom, we have to go. And so she was like, okay. And so then we were like, oh my gosh, we have to go. Mind you, we had soccer practice like an hour after my work. We're in there, and at first I didn't even think they had it. But then once we got in there, my mom found what's it called? Gondola, as they were putting out the products. Like, they had just gotten in the shipment, and they were like, let's put it out right now. And then I was like, oh my god. I'm priming my eye with It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, covering up my veiny eyes, barely. I kind of like the veins showing through. Going with my ColourPop eyeshadow. Wait, I'm going to take my fluffy Anastasia brush that comes with the palette, and whatever, you don't care. You don't care. I just want to make a base for the ColourPop shadow, because it's kind of dark, so you want something for it to blend onto. Also, I didn't set my eyes with any face powder, because that way you get the most pigment. We're gonna go with the ColourPop, which is one of my favorites as of recent. It's called Melrose. It was one of the shadows at the stand. It's a matte, creamy. It's like a cushion. Look at that. And I'm gonna focus it on that outer corner. I love ColourPop eyeshadows, because they're only $5, which is a huge steal. And like, look at that. It basically blends out with your finger. Okay, and in order to blend it out a little bit more, I'm going in with this e.l.f. synthetic brush. these eyeshadows are a very nice option. Nice cheap option too for you know, slap it on, girl on the go. I don't know what I want to do now. I'll talk about my next favorite, which is bullet journaling. This is a spread I'm doing. It's just like a diary page. It's got my watercolor painting, some more watercolor stripes, a picture I printed off of Pinterest. This is my March spread, and then the rest of it's just boring calendar stuff to at least attempt to keep my life organized. That's been my like favorite pastime because it's just so fun to color and also stay organized at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna do the Modern Renaissance palette. I decided. Blending brush. Another thing I've been loving recently is warm weather, because who else? Who hates warm weather? Because I think that's nobody. Recently, there was 2 days where it was just, oh my gosh, it was just like 70 degrees, beautiful, absolutely amazing outside. When it's been freezing cold for who knows how long, and you finally get some nice weather, you're gonna take advantage of it. So I go outside every day that it's nice, except for today because I'm filming. Yeah, that's definitely something that I've been loving, is warm weather, because sometimes it's really dreary outside and it makes me not want to do anything. But I love it when it's sunny outside. Another thing I've been loving, I Love You So Mochi by NYX. Putty palette. Look, I'll give you a close up. Just wait. Check this out, boys. Bing, bing, bing. And then look at that. And it blends nicely. And, oh, duh, you could blend and pat on this shadow with your fingers too. I'm stupid. I take back what I said about ColourPop. Although I love ColourPop more, so. What should I do? I'm gonna do some light pink business. I'm gonna lay down a base with my new favorite, Set to Stun. Excuse me. It's a pink orange duochrome, and it has the most pretty glitter in it. Violet and orange and blue. Put this on the center of my eye. I love ColourPop so much. I wish they would sponsor me, because I would put their products in every single video. I'm pretty sure I already do, but it's fine. I was going for a natural look, but I don't know anymore. Ooh, what if I did this yellow? When you pat this stuff on, the glitter just pops out more. And it's blending like magic on top of the other ColourPop shade that we used. So I'm gonna attempt to go in with this gold shade. I'll go in with my finger first. This is like a first impression. Oh! Whoa! I don't know if you can hear my dog crying or not, but that's Charlie. I'm meaning to say it. My other like super favorite right now is tennis. My friend, shout out Riley, played corollary tennis, and she was like, man, I really want to play like the real season of tennis, like by myself. And then I was like, oh shoot, I want to do that too. Then we were like, oh shoot, let's do it together. I'm so excited. We're going to play on the court. I have my own tennis racket. I'm looking into getting some tennis skirts. I'm really excited. I love that. I was going for a natural look today. Can you believe that? Wow. NYX snapped. They said, someone stop me. I'm getting wild. I want to put this blue on the lower lash line. I think I'm going for like a tropical goddess look today. This brush is from Amazon. I don't know how good it'll work. Well, it'll work. But it's like an angle brush type thing. It's synthetic, so it should work. Okay, I kind of look crazy, but it's fine. I'm going to take this blending brush. If you think I look a little bit cringy right now, don't be alarmed. I'm pretty sure, at least I'm pretty sure, it'll look better once I have mascara on Fingers crossed. Also, this is nice. Well, just lip balm in general. Because these boys get chapped. It's the Sun Bum SPF 30 chapstick. SPF is important, even though I don't use it enough. Also, piercings. Been loving those. As of late, I'm just gonna get this finish brush. Wipe off the product. Oh shoot, that's pink eyeshadow. I would have been having pink eye. I'm gonna take a transition shade just to fill in the blank space. That didn't help at all. Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna put mascara on. Use the Essence. What else is new? Hello, I'm back. Put on some mascara and also did my waterline with this green eyeliner. I decided to not put mascara on the bottom because my eyelashes are just so long that I didn't want them to look like spiders for, oh my gosh. Wait, am I recording? I'm so excited for vacation. In the summer, we are going across the country to so many places, including Alaska. And I'm so happy because I could hopefully make a lot of new content for you people. I'm using my new ColourPop highlighter in Flexitarian. I have to show you a swatch. Like, oh, we're going on an Alaskan cruise. And I hopefully am gonna get a lot of content / vlogs maybe, if this YouTube thing is still a thing. And this isn't blending. I guess I should just blend it with my finger. Traveling is one of my favorite things ever because you get to witness and envelop yourself in a whole other community that you probably will never be in again in your whole life. Okay, this highlighter is like really blinding for a second. You just have to keep adding on more if you want that super effect. Look at that nose. We love a good nose. Yeah, this is really easy to blend out with your fingers. I love that. ColourPop highlighters are like wet to the touch almost. Like, it's so good. Also, another favorite is my friends and my boyfriend. Because they are just so positive and so nice. And I love them all. They who know who they are. Shout out to you people. Look at that. Oh my god. I should keep adding more. Oops. Remember, if you have ColourPop products, screw on the cap tight. Because they are cream products, so they can dry out if you're not careful. Usual Wet n Wild mellow wine blush. The reason I stopped applying the blush is because I like putting on blush after highlight because it stops it from getting streaky. Actually, I'm gonna apply more highlight. These are really nice bases for your highlight. It's Carly Bible highlighting palette, one of the best things I'll ever have. Well, it's not a highlighting palette, but it's an eyeshadow palette, but I basically just use it for the highlights because, well, I'll show you. Like, they're so, like, creamy, I guess. Very good. One of my not favorites is school. Because school just brings me down and it makes me upset. Because I honestly don't know what I want to do with my life. And being a YouTuber would be fun, but I don't even know if YouTube will exist by the time I'm like 20. So that's kind of scary. I don't even know what our country will be by the time I'm 20. Can you guys imagine? I can't. We are highlighted to the gods. To the gods. And some lip gloss, of course. I'm gonna do some e.l.f. lip gloss. I bought this online. It was on sale for like 50 cents. Another makeup favorite is the NYX Powder Puff Lippies. They are so good. I wear them to school sometimes. Well, I only have one shade. It's called Puppy Love. But it is so good. I love lip gloss. Oh, I accidentally went over my lip line, but hey, we're juicy lips today. A second, I want to put on some more. Just pardon me. ColourPop, man. Wow, I'm just really boosting them in this video. Please sponsor me. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoyed. Wait. I would spray this, but I'm just gonna take this off. Thanks for watching. If you did. Face wash. Hit me up, because it's so good. Also, hit me up if you know where to buy cute earrings, because I need to get some rings for these boys. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to my channel. Also, this is my favorite too. Oh, poop. It's a fan. I got it in Hawaii when I was like 7. Whenever I put on my setting spray, I like to just go in and go. I hope you like this sunset glitter Supergirl eye. Bye.